Hopped up out my bed, turned my charts on. Took a look at the pips, is going up. Yeah, we getting money.
We getting motherfucking money.
Hopped up out my bed, turned my charts on. Took a look at the pips, is going up. Yeah, I'm getting money. Real trader.
What's good, guys? It's your boy, Mr. Richard Pips, and I'm back here again with some more super sauce for you guys. And today we're going to be talking about time frame correlation, right? Multiple time frame analysis and why it is so important in your trading. I know that you guys be confused just flipping back and forth between different time frames and stuff like that. So, no more confusion from this day on. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on to how to properly do multiple time frame analysis. Let's get into it.
I swear none of you niggas is trading. None of you niggas is trading though.
Ace Banks, turn up.
I do not trap, nigga, I trade. I'm on my ass and still getting paid. I'm rich on these pips, nigga self-made. You was 30, put in pain. I'm hitting TP. That's every.
Okay, guys, so multiple time frame analysis. So I know that you guys is always confused, when you're looking at the daily, you're looking at the 4 hour, then you go to the 1 hour, and then, maybe you're like, well, do I enter in on the 15-minute, the 5-minute? Am I basing my whole strategy, my whole analysis on the 1 hour or the 4 hour or the daily? Which time frame am I really using to enter these trades? Well, to answer that question, it all depends on what you're doing. It all depends on what type of trader you are. For me, I say if you're a swing trader, you're mostly basing your trades off the daily and the 4 hour. If you are an intraday trader, I'm basing my trades off the 1 hour mostly. So scalpers, 30-minute, 5-minute time frame, stuff like that. So let's get into it. How I trade, I'm an intraday trader. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my multiple time frame analysis to keep up with everything and enter at the right times. So this is US 30 right here. And me as a trader, I'm only staying in the trade for no longer than 24 hours. So that's the longest I'm staying in a trade. I like to, get my money that day and get out. So, we can use the 4 hour to draw up some key areas, some resistance areas, right? Whatever key areas you may see, right? That's all this is for, just using key areas for me as well. So that's really all I use the 4 hour for when it comes to US 30. Just drawing up key areas where there was, resistance or whatever, key support areas, stuff like that, just so, I know. And, usually when I mark this up, I don't got to mark it up again. So I'm just here marking up my trend lines and stuff in the 4 hour. Okay, so in the 4 hour, we noticed that this resistance area right here, this big old resistance area right here, has now turned into support after breaking that trend line. Okay, so, trend line was broken and big wick right here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and look into the 1 hour to see what's going on in more detail. There should be a lot of bearish action going on right now after the, price broke that trend line. So let's go into the 1 hour. Price went up, broke, retested the trend line, right, and dropped. So as you guys see, it is making lower lows, right? It's making lower lows. So, we're in a downtrend right now. And also, my moving average shows that. I'll be making a video on the moving average that I use as well. So my moving average shows that we're underneath it. So this is a clear sell right now. So now that we know that, from the 1 hour time frame, we see the price action, the 3 bearish candles, it's looking great. We go into our 30-minute and we try to sell, we go into the 30-minute and we see that the bulls are pushing the market back up. This could be a good rally to go back up. We're just waiting for the rally at this point. We can use some Fibonacci right? We can wait for it to retrace up here. It already came up here and now it's going back down. So that's why there's a, price is selling right now. Now we can go to our 5 minute. Okay. We see in our 5 minute that we have like a double top pattern happening right now. So, all the patterns that you learn, it all matters in different time frames. So, we see our little double top pattern right here and it drops. So, 5 minute, enter, we know what to sell. You can put your stop loss above the double top pattern and go for your pips. We go for our pips. First TP could be the 1-to-2 ratio, 42 pips. You got multiple TPs. Okay, and this is how I'm trading it. Going for 100 pips. You all know what that does on US 30. And I'm only taking these type of trades because these trades can be done in the next hour, literally. So, I'm not really staying in these trades for too long. Like I said, I'm an intraday trader, so I'm not looking to swing trade. Really, I'm just trying to catch a couple moves throughout the day and I'm out. Okay, so multiple time frame analysis. I just showed you guys how I just switched from, the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 15 minute to the 5. But really I'm always looking at these time frames at the same time. And the way that I do that on my monitor. And how I do that on my monitor is you go up here to the square right here on TradingView and you select layout, right? And now you can see the different layouts, right? So I would go and put 4, right? So you can see right here, I can change the layouts and stuff like that. I could change the background. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the backgrounds for all these real quick. Right, and you can change the time frame for each one. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, the first one, it says, and this will pop up on my monitor so I can see it on a very big view, or you can, share your screen to a TV or smart TV if you have one. That'll be useful. Basically, I can see all 4 of these screens in a very big view, so I understand what's going on. And right here, this is the 4 hour time frame. It says it 4 hour. Okay, this is the 1 hour right here, the 30 minute. So I see what's going on in the 30 minute. Zoom that up a little bit, right? And it's dropping, right? And here is the 5 minute where we enter. Okay. It'll look way better on your monitor or your TV, your smart TV. But this is how I'm analyzing all the time frames at once. So I will go ahead and see, what's going on in the 4 hour, and it'll be easier to correlate it when you look right, to the 1 hour, and then when you look to your 30 minute and your 5. So, this is how I'm trading, guys. And, I could do this on any pair. I can have different pairs on here at the same time. I can have the DXY up here when I'm trading the US dollar or gold or something like that. So, this is gold right here on the 4 hour time frame, right? I can go to my other one and pull out, Euro USD. This is very, useful. Very useful. This is Euro USD right here. I'll go right here, DXY. Right, so you guys can obviously see how this is going to help you trading a whole bunch. All right, so again, to do this, you just go up to the square right here, select layout, and to do the 4, I do have the pro membership on TradingView, so I think it's $30 a month So if you do want to do, you know, the 4 layouts, then you got to pay $30 a month on TradingView. I think with the first, plan, that's $15 a month, you're allowed to do the 2 panels, but you know, the 4 panels is dope. So if you want to do that, you got to pay $30 a month to TradingView. But I think it's really worth it. You know, it makes everything make sense, honestly. So I love it, guys, and it's definitely essential for me as a trader. And as you guys can see on my 1 hour, it's already dropping. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my monitor real quick, so you guys can see this. Okay, so you know, this is my monitor. As you guys can see, I can see everything perfectly clearly after using the layout feature that TradingView gives you with the pro membership. But you know, basically seeing the 4-hour time frame on my left, seeing that big bearish candle right there, you know, I can easily see how it correlates to the 1 hour, making it, you know, 4 bearish candles, you know, and then the 30-minute, a bunch of bearish candles going down, right? And then the 5-minute, it just tanking, you know. And I already entered this trade, so I'm in profits right now. So this is definitely a great feature, and you guys want to do what you can, you know, to get access to this, to get your setup right, because it definitely will help you understand when entering on the MT4 as well. And you'll have way better entries. So if you can, you know, if you have a smart TV that allows you to share your screen, mirror your screen, you can do this as well. You can use this. So, you know, either a smart TV or a monitor will work for this. But definitely, guys, you guys definitely want to tap in and start doing this, because it will make you way more accurate, and you'll always be aware of what's going on in the market. If you're serious about making money and you don't want to miss no moves, then I suggest that you do this. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys got some value with the multiple time frame saws and the multiple layouts. Okay, this is definitely something that helped me understand the time frames way more. So guys, if you got any value, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be flooding YouTube this week with value, so stay tuned, guys. It's Mr. Richard Pips.